So, hello guys, we are here again. So, let's start our introduction. This is our 10th day talk, and we are here maintaining our streak. And so, we would like to introduce ourselves, and let's begin with my introduction. Uh, I am Akash Babu, and I am from district Oriya. Currently, I am pursuing in BTech in Harcourt Butler Technical University, and my aggregate CGPA is 7.15, and I have completed front-end framework and also the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Uh, and I am currently working on backend part, and I prefer C++ language for my coding purpose. And my hobbies includes reading books and watching movies. Thank you guys. This is all about me. Now I would like to call Aman Bhai to introduce himself. Yeah. Now Aman Bhai.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. My name is Aman Madhukar, and I am from District Mirzapur. I have completed my diploma in electronics engineering, and currently I am pursuing my BTech in computer science stream from Harcourt Butler Technical University, Kanpur. My skill includes React, Redux, JavaScript, CSS, HTML, and C++ as my preferred programming language. I have also worked on some front-end based projects individually and also some group projects which is given to us by college, like library management system. And YouTube clone is one of my major front-end projects. I also love problem solving and data structure and algorithm is my keen interest. I have already solved more than 500 problems based on data structure and algorithms on different platforms like LeetCode, GFG, and Coding Indias. I also gave some coding contests like in LeetCode. I have achieved um,
Aman, your voice is stuck.
organized by Coding Indias. Okay. My hobby is reading books, playing table tennis, and playing chess. That's all about myself.
Yeah, so hello everyone. My name is Sudhanshu Mora, and I have completed my diploma in information technology from Government Polytechnic Mirzapur, and currently I am in my final year of my BTech uh, from Harcourt Butler Technical University in information technology, and my skills include React.js and Flutter. In past, I have worked on some project on React, and currently I'm working on project on in Flutter, and and oh, I'm totally stuck. Sorry for that, and. I have a very keen interest in problem solving, and recently I had completed my 100 plus put problems on lead code, and I would like to implement whatever skill I have gained during the course uh, to some real life to solve some real life problems. And if we talk about my personal side, my hobbies include reading books and playing cricket match. Currently, I am reading a book named "The Slow and Fast," running slow, thinking slow, and thinking
English
fast.
one.
Yeah, by Carl Hanman, and he was an Nobel Prize awarded writer. So currently, few days back, I got the suggestion from someone, and currently I'm reading that book, and that's all about me. Thank you, everyone. Now, Aman,
Nice. So now we can start with questions.
yeah.
Today we will solve POTD and GFG.
Mm.
Okay, let me share my screen. Here it is. Yeah. Now you are able to see the screen.
Yeah.
So today's question is very easy. It is just asking us to find the height of a given binary tree.
Mm.
The root of a binary tree is given and we have to find the height of the binary. We can use two approaches. Like if we are using PFS traversal,
Mm.
we can count the number of levels and whatever the number of level will be the number of height. Like in the given example, this is level 1, this is level 2, so the height is 2. In this example, this is level 1, level 2, and level 3, so height is 3, right? And another approach is using with the PFS traversal.
Mm.
We can go in the depth as much as possible and return and adding value 1 to each node, and we can count that how much nodes are in the path from the root to the leaf node. And we can do the same thing for all the nodes, and we have to return the maximum. Like for the to start from this root node, let's say it call first this node left node and then right node, then left node will call its childs, and they will, as they are null, so they will return 0. And since we get at this node we get maximum by left and the right, we will get 0 as maximum. So we just have to add 1, then it will become 1, and this node 2 will return 1 to its parent node. Now similarly for the right node as well, this is also get 0 as maximum. We simply add 1 to it, and this will also return 1 to its parent. Now this will get 1 from its left child and 1 from its right child. So maximum is 1. We will simply take 1 and add 1 to it and return 2. 2 as the height. Okay, this is what I have simply done. You can see in the code.
Mm.
I have just written the get height node, whatever the get height is returned. We
Mm.
have simply written that value.
Okay.
Now the get height will call with a node. The root node will be stored in this node variable. And
Uh,
simply we are for the base case, what I have done is if node is null, I have simply written 0. Otherwise, if node is not null, I have called the left node and the right node, and I have took the maximum of them among of these two, and taking maximum I have simply add 1 and return. That's it. And it is running absolutely fine.
Aman, you can do the why you have created another function getAtch. You can do the same in the function given.
Yeah, what we can do in the same function as well. What is taking so much time to execute? Is the compiler failure?
It is inheriting the problem of lead code.
Let me do that.
Sorry, guys.
Compiler of GFG has lots of revenue. It's crashing so much time. Let me submit it.
We have to inform about this to Abhinav
Yeah,
Avasthi. And
see, it is accepted, then it is again execute. Started its execution again. There's a problem of GFG. I have submitted the code and it is absolutely running fast. It is far down the test process. And we can also optimize that. we can do the same thing in the original function. Let's say copy this and paste it over here. And instead of h, to change the name of array. Similarly for this one also, which we can remove this now, and it will work fine. Let's
Got stuck again.
let me submit this.
Aman, wait, be patient.
Yeah, it is running fine. So that's all for about this problem.
So I have one problem I can discuss with you guys. Let me open the. Hmm? So I will present. Let me present my screen. Check. Are you guys able to see my screen?
Yes, screen is visible.
Okay then. Let me do this. Shit. Now I think it will be okay. Yeah. So what the question is, guys, you have given a array nums of length n and an integer m is given. What you have to determine whether it is possible to split the given array in n parts. Okay,
Okay,
and while splitting, you have to keep my keep 2 points in your mind. Okay, whenever we divide the array into two subarrays, we have to split in this way. We always split the array in two parts. Okay, and the one part, uh, what the subarray which we get after splitting, either it is of length 1, okay, and
okay.
or the sum of elements in that subarray is greater or equal to m. Okay,
If we are splitting any array into subarray,
yeah,
both subarrays should hold the property one of them, or only any one of the
any one
subarrays
of
should hold.
them, both subarrays would follow any one of them.
Okay, so both subarrays should follow the condition,
Yeah,
one of the condition.
yeah, one of the conditions have to followed by the subarrays. If we see the example here, if we split the array from after 2 and 2, okay, so
Okay,
2 and 2 is one subarray and 1 is one subarray. the
yes,
the 2 and 2 is also following the condition, okay,
okay,
and 1 is also following the condition. 1 is of length 1 and 2 plus 2 is greater or equal to m. M is 4 here in this case, okay,
yeah,
and we, if we again split the array 2 and 2, it will give the 2 and 2, and both are of size 1. So both are following the properties, so we successfully split the array into n sub arrays. So we return true. Okay,
Okay.
did,
Okay.
did you get the problem?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And if we see the second example, uh, if we try to split the array from any position, okay, so it will the both sub arrays would not follow the condition. Okay, if we split after 2, then 2 is of size 1, it is okay, but 1 and 3 is equal to 4, which is not greater or equal to 5. eh? Or if we split after 1, then 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, again not greater or equal to 4, so we return false because we cannot split the array. Okay, did you guys get the problem?
Yes. I got
Yes.
the problem.
So, what my approach is, see, okay, uh, if the let's start from the basic, how to build the intuition for this problem. Okay, so let's start from the basic. If we have an array of size 1, then we do not have to split.
Correct. It is
Correct.
already have size.
Yeah, if we have array of size 2, then what we will do.
We can split it easily because the resultant subarray will have the size.
Yeah, okay. So we simply do what, break it from middle and both of size of 1, so both of them following properties.
Correct.
But if we get the array of size 3, then what will happen?
Then we have to check whether the first condition means the sum of the remaining subarray should
Yeah,
be greater than or equal to n. Then
yeah,
only we are able to split the
okay. Now let's suppose we have array of size 4. There should be something where I can draw, Aman.
yeah. I
uh,
think whiteboard is here.
I can draw on Jamboard. Yeah, whiteboarding. Start a new whiteboard. Creating a Jam. Aman bhai,
Yeah.
did you able to see the Jamboard? Yeah.
Yes.
So
I'm able to see.
let's suppose we have array of sorry for the shape. Okay. Suppose this is the array. Okay, given, and
Okay.
we have to find what, whether either the sum would be greater than or equal to m,
Correct.
or size would be 1. Okay, so if we split array from here, okay,
Okay.
okay, then there should be the sum, should be the greater or equal to m, and here size is 1 itself. Okay, after this
Yes. Correct.
after this what will happen, this, we finally get this array. Okay, and we
Correct.
again have to split the array. Okay,
Okay.
and
Yes.
somewhere here the sum should be greater than m. Okay,
Yeah. Correct.
yeah, correct. Okay, then if we split array from here, or let's suppose here itself. Okay, don't disturb that. Then sum of elements should be greater than m. Okay,
Right.
and again we split it from here. Then here the sum should be greater than m,
And
greater or equal to m. If we do not get any pair, okay, whose
okay.
sum is not greater or equal to m, then we cannot say that we can split the array, because at the end we if we have, let's suppose if we have a pair which whose sum is greater or equal to m, then what we have to do, if we add one more element to it, okay, it will also follow the condition.
Yes, right,
Yeah,
exactly. Correct,
yeah,
correct.
uh,
Yeah, I got the intuition.
yeah. You got the intuition, Aman?
Yes,
Yeah, so this is the approach. I am finding running a loop and trying to find the pair whose sum is greater or equal to m. Okay, if there if we successfully find a pair, then we will return true, or in if you do not, we end false in the end. And we
yes.
if we submit the problem, it I think it have to get accepted. Yeah, it accepted. It is a good approach. It beats 97.54% of user with Java and 88.67% for memory. So, Aman, how is the question?
Question is very nice.
Yeah, I think you have solved. It is a question of the uh, question of the okay, yeah,
The case contest.
yeah, it lead code conscious 357. This
Yeah, I
question
think then I have solved the question.
yeah, you have solved. I think you have solved the question. Okay, so this is from my side. Akash, if you want to tell us something. Akash, you are muted. Akash, you are muted.
So now for today, I have only solved the lead code geeks for geeks POTD problem
Yeah,
only.
you can share your
Uh,
approach.
that Aman has explained the same approach I have also used.
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay,
and beyond this, today I don't have extra
no
And
problem.
also, guys, stop sharing your
to
screen
explain.
and
Yeah,
Akash share your GFG screen and explain the same problem no matter who it is.
Okay.
yeah.
Share your screen, Akash.
I'm sharing a minute, just 1 minute. I think you are not getting that,
Yeah, yeah, we got your screen. Your screen is
but
visible,
it's opening the problem in the next tab. That's why I have to stop and again present.
You can switch the tab.
and there will be option of share this tab instead.
Yes. When you switch the tab, it will show you the option share this tab.
Okay, I think now
Yeah, correct.
it's okay.
Yeah.
Are you guys able to see the problem?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Just 1 minute. I think it's not the correct.
It's a different
It
one.
is
It's the
yesterday's POTD
yesterday's
job.
POTD.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's yesterday's POTD.
Hmm.
Actually, at 1 minute. Yes, now I got the problem. Yeah, this is the problem for today. So in this, we are given a binary tree and we have to find its height. So the simple approach, as Aman explained,
Yeah.
we simply are given with the root node,
Mm.
and in this case, we just like check if our root node is like null.
Mm.
Okay, then we return 0. In else condition, we simply like calculate our left and right subtree height. And when we like get our left and right subtree height, we simply compare,
Mm.
and the uh, if left subtree height is greater, then we
Mm.
simply return it uh, with adding 1, and else we return simply the right one node. As Aman Bhai explained earlier, the same approach I have also used.
Mm.
And I have also submitted it. It's like giving correct output, and it's got accepted. Yeah.
Yes.
So Akash, you also have to wrap up the session.
So thank you guys for today's session, and we have completely maintained uh, maintained our streak and ended for today's session. And thank you guys. Thank you for loving us and supporting us. We are ready to maintain our streak, and thank you guys. Anyone else want to say anything? My battery is going to dead, guys.
Okay, it's
So
it's okay. So we wrap up here, and
if you
thank you
are,
guys for joining us. And yeah, so finally, bye, bye
thank you.
everyone.
Bye. Very good night, everyone.
Yeah,
Bye. We are in the
yeah. 3, 2, 1, go.